Hello everyone, in this video, I am going to show you the care tips about the 𝙀𝙧𝙪𝙧 plant. I will show you all the details like propagation, sunlight requirements, watering, and so on. So keep watching the video till end. Before that, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified of all my newly uploaded videos. Let's start to our topic. Moss rose, also known as Portulaca grandiflora, 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock, porcelain, and so on. All of these names are according to their area and locality. Portulaca is the summer season flowering plants that is related to succulent family. It is native to Argentina, and there are so many types and shapes of their flowers that are very beautiful also. It is a permanent plant in the hot zone area, but in the Indian climate it is grown as a seasonal plant. 𝙀𝙧𝙪𝙧 is a very hardy plant that requires only a few things to grow healthily. So let's talk about them. Sunlight requirements of Portulaca. As I told you, it is a summer season plant that can grow in a full day sunlight even in the 50 degrees of temperature. Portulaca is a very beautiful plant that grows very fastly if you grow it in sunny area with minimum 3 to 4 hours of morning sunlight. In a full day sunlight, it is little bit difficult for the plant to produce more flowers. Provide about 3 to 4 hours of morning sunlight. Their flowers opens in the morning sunlight and closes in the noon. Watering the Portulaca plant. Water is the basic need of every plant, but the Portulaca or 𝙀𝙧𝙪𝙧 requires only a small amount of water. 𝙀𝙧𝙪𝙧 is a succulent plant that have its own water in its leaves. Therefore it can live a month without water, but the overwatering causes different problems. So make the soil of 𝙀𝙧𝙪𝙧 plant a little moist, as in the video. The plant grows very well with such type of moisture. Best planter for the 𝙀𝙧𝙪𝙧. 𝙀𝙧𝙪𝙧 is flowering plant that spreads all over the pot. If you provide a small pot with larger depth, then it becomes difficult for the plant to spreads. Provide a shallow pot with larger diameter. It helps the plant to spread all over the pot. Propagation of 𝙀𝙧𝙪𝙧. Portulaca plant is a very easy to grow plant that can be grown from seeds as well as from the cuttings. Due to its succulent nature, it can be grown from cuttings with a very little effort. Simply cut the mature branches and remove the lower leaves and put it in the soil. It starts growing. You can place the pot in the shade as well as in a semi-shaded area. They are very easy to grow and takes only a few days to grow new branches. Propagating them from seeds is a little difficult because the seeds are very small. I will recommend you to grow them from cuttings, or you can buy their small seedlings from any local nursery. Collection of 𝙀𝙧𝙪𝙧 seeds. Portulaca plant is a very easy to grow plant that produces seeds also. You can collect their seeds and regrow them in the next season. As you can see, these are the tiny seed pods that have very small seeds. You can save them in a dry place and grow them next year. Soil mix for the Portulaca. To prepare an ideal soil mix, it is very important to know about the water requirements of 𝙀𝙧𝙪𝙧. It requires a soil mix that is very well draining. For this I have some important components like garden soil, sand, and small amount of cocopeat. Follow these ratios for making an ideal soil mix for 𝙀𝙧𝙪𝙧 plants. This soil mix is best for the 𝙀𝙧𝙪𝙧 plant and helps it to grow lots of flowers. Best fertilizer for the 𝙀𝙧𝙪𝙧. Portulaca is a very easy to grow plant that can grow without any fertilizer. But it is important to provide nutrients to the plant for stable growth. And fertilizers also boost the growth of plant. For this I am using a small amount of compost that is organic. And I have prepared at home from the kitchen wastes. If you also wants to prepare it from the kitchen wastes, you can watch my video on this topic. I have added its link in the description and I button. I am adding about 50 grams in this small pot. Mix it with the soil as I am doing. It helps to absorb the nutrients in the soil. These are some important points about the 𝙀𝙧𝙪𝙧 plant. that are very helpful to grow them fastly. You must grow them in your garden and enjoy their beauty. Hope you like this video, and for any question, comment below. For any specific video that you want from this channel, you can tell me in the comments section. I will try to make a video on that topic. Thanks for watching.